Okay, so we're in the transportation office. That's where our main fire panel is. All of our buildings report to this panel. This is the main panel. So I'm just going to go through how to do an all call after an event. The system is cleared, the alarm's cleared, and you're going to do an all call to residents, to staff. And this is how you do that. It's very simple. So over up top here, you have these buttons. One says all call, and one says select call. If you hit the all call button, it's gonna call to everywhere. It's gonna call to the community building, the memory care, Ridgecrest. So it'll call every, not IL. They have their own fire panels, but it'll call everywhere. But what we want to do is hit select call. So when you hit select call, you'll see it'll light up and start flashing. And then down here, you choose where you want to call. Community building first floor, community building second floor, memory care, Ridgecrest. We're going to change these labels because right now it's assisted living and health center. So we'll say memory care and Ridgecrest. So depending, again, you hit select call, and then select the area you want to call. Once everything, those little LEDs are flashing, you know you're ready to go. When you take the mic up, you key the mic, and you listen for a tone. You'll hear a tone come through the speakers out in the front entrance here. So you keep the door open of transportation. You'll hear a tone. After the tone, you just say, attention residents and staff, attention residents and staff, all clear, all clear, all clear. And then just let off unkey the mic, and then shut the buttons down. It's basically that simple. Okay, what you don't want to do is touch any of these buttons here when you're doing an all call. You don't want to touch any of this. You don't want to touch any of this. When you do the all call, the alarm should be reset. Everything should be good to go. So all you're doing is an all call. This would be something totally different. There might be further training for that, but right now, for the all call, that's all you need to do. You're just worried about these two buttons and this panel here. Don't worry about this or this or this.
So what would bring you out here, Harvey, is a loss of power, or if you see this red light on. Anytime you see that red light on, you're going to have to come down here and investigate. So basically, this whole system down here is for the grinder pump. So here's the grinder. If you'd like to look down in there, I don't know, it's not pleasant. Okay, so then we come over here. This is the generator for the grinder. So we're going to open this up. All right. And here's the switch right here. And you're going to put it on run. You're going to hold that there, and it's going to turn over and start. As that's running, you come in here. Hit this switch here to emergency power. So as you can see, there's an off. You go through the off down to emergency. And that's going to start this pump. Upon power being restored, you come in here and put the switch back to normal, and then go shut the generator off.